Okay, kabajamtoota daawwattoota akka Ingiliffaa Oromic. Baga gara chaanaala kennaa nagaan dhuftan isiniin jecha guyyaa hadhaa fireezota 10 akka qarshii dhabdan yookiin qarshiin qabu jechuudhaaf ibsachuu barbaaddan kan ittiin ibsattan qabadhee isiniif dhiyaadhee jira jechuudha. So stay with me to the end of my program. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Akka Ingiliffaa Oromic. I am Nuru from Akka School of American English Training Center. Today I came up with a new topic which is about 10 phrases when you're out of money. But before this, are you practicing? Are you using the phrases that we learned before? I hope you're using. Okay, so today the phrases that we're going to learn is 10 phrases when you're out of money. Yes, if you ain't got no money or if there is no any kind of money in your pocket, how are you going to tell that? How are you going to express it? All right, for example, if your mommy or your daddy, as we know, most of the children, they are under the control of their family. They ain't got their own job, all right? So due to that, they mostly ask their families, okay? So as of you, if you ain't got no money, how are you going to express it? So today, I am here to solve that problem, okay? So stay with me. So to express, or if you are out of money, here, you can use one of the following phrases to express that you are out of money, okay? So the first phrase that you can use to express that you are out of money is, I am broke. Okay, kabajamtoota daawwattoota akka Ingiliffaa Oromic. Baga gara chaanaala kennaa nagaan dhuftan isiniin jecha guyyaa hadhaa fireezota 10 akka qarshii dhabdan yookiin qarshiin qabu jechuudhaaf ibsachuu barbaaddan kan ittiin ibsattan qabadhee isiniif dhiyaadhee jira jechuudha. So stay with me to the end of my program. Okay, so the first phrase says, I am broke. I am broke. So when someone's saying, I am broke, he's not saying, or she is not saying that she got a fracture, a leg fracture or hand fracture. But in fact, what someone is saying by I am broke is that the guy is saying, I'm out of money. Okay, so you can use this phrase to express that you're out of money. Okay, birrii dhabe jechuudhaaf afaan Ingiliffaatiin you can say what? I am broke. I am broke. Birrii dhabeera bakka jechuudha. Si birriin addaan baatanii jirtan jechaadha. So you can use this phrase, or another way you can say what? I don't have a penny. I don't have a penny, or I don't have a coin. Yeah, when we say a penny or a coin is especially a money that's made of like iron or something like that. Okay, so now when someone is saying I don't have a penny or I don't have a coin, which means that you even didn't get a single birr, a single money, or even one birr. Okay, so you can say I don't have a penny or I don't have a coin, which is in Afaan Oromoo or in the local language that you're saying qarshii takka iyyuu hin qabu yookiin saantimii takka iyyuu hin qabu jechuudha yoo barbaaddan. You can say I don't have a penny, saantimii takka iyyuu hin qabu hin jennaa mire. Yes, so to say that you can say I don't have a penny or I don't have a coin. They are both the same. Okay, and the next one says I don't have a red cent. I don't have what? A red cent. Especially when we are saying a red cent here, it is mostly the money that's made of copper. Money that's made of copper. Okay, so when one is saying now I don't have a red cent, you even don't have the cent or the coin that's made of what? A copper. Okay, so you can express that you're out of money by saying what? I don't have a red cent, which we say in our mother tongue, santima diimtuu iyyuu hin qabu kan jennu san jechaadha. Santima diimtuu hin qabu jechuudhaaf you can say, I don't have a red cent in English. Okay, this all used to express or to express that you're out of money. Qarshii hin qabu jechuudhaaf you can say, I don't have a red cent. All right, and the next one says, I am out of pocket. I am what? Out of pocket. So pocket is the place, especially on our clothes, that we use to put money or different kind of things in. Okay, so when one is saying now I am out of pocket, you're expressing that, or you're telling that you ain't got no money. Okay, when one is saying I'm out of pocket, in fact the guy is not talking about his clothes or is not talking about the thing that he's wearing. Okay, but in fact what he's saying that is telling you about the money in his pocket,